Is the Tree for Money app really an easy way to potentially earn more than $2 per click you just do on your mobile phone, or is it a scam to stay away from? My name is Michael, and many viewers on my channel have asked me about this app, so I decided to take an inside look, and in this Tree for Money app review, I will give you an inside look and I will show you some very important untold details you definitely need to be aware of before you invest too much time inside this app. Let's just get straight to it. I've just pulled Tree for Money app up on my screen so you can see it, and I do understand why it seems so appealing, because at first it looks like a super easy and fast way to earn. You just have this tree, and by just clicking it, you see I click in the middle, I earn $2, and sometimes you get bonuses. I've even tried to just like earn $4 like this, and you can grow it so it grows taller and earn more and earn faster and all this, and then there's some lucky spins. But you see, I just click and I earn $2 every time. Can you see how much I earn there? And then you see, by just doing that, supposedly I have now earned $18.61 just in basically a few seconds. And then I can watch an ad to get more or whatever, and then I'll just click no thanks to see the ad, and that was it. And then I can just again keep earning. I actually said no thanks. I should have clicked to get it, because now you can see they actually were not added. So I'll just try again. You see the get, so then I need to say it, so I need to watch an ad to actually get it, and then I need to watch an ad, and this is how they make money. So now I have to sit and wait like 30 seconds or so, and many of these ads are for apps that I would definitely not recommend. Also, that's just something to be aware of, so do not get carried away by the crazy claims in many of these ads you will see. For now, I will just let the ad run, and then I will, when I finally manage to close it down, I will talk a little bit more about other aspects that you do need to be aware of. I now managed to get back from the ad, and you can see up there, I actually got them added all that money. So it definitely does seem very, very appealing and like a very, very fast way to earn. You can see, if I could just earn that much in a few seconds, that would be amazing. And I say would be amazing because there are some very important things you need to be aware of. So let's talk about that, because one thing is how you supposedly can earn, and all that looks very appealing. Let's talk about how you potentially can get paid, and if you can even get paid. So I just went to the cash out section, and you can see that the payout threshold supposedly is $300 I need to earn to get paid. Well, that would not take too long, but I would have to watch a lot of ads, because they earn by having pop-up ads all the time, and supposedly you will also first get the money when you watch the ads, and there's just ads, and it's for really spammy apps most of the time, in my opinion. And a payout threshold of $300 is in itself a big red flag. I have tested hundreds of different free ways to make money online, and any app or website that has a threshold of that much is just something you should be very, very careful of. Of course, you can say that would not take long with the speed that I can earn, but I would still, in the process, make them a lot of money by watching all these spammy ads, and I do not want to do that, to be honest, for the reasons that I will explain next. Also, I am pretty sure that they will come up with some kind of crazy requirements when you get to the $300 with some other things you need to do or whatever to potentially get the money. But will you ever be able to get the money? Let's talk about that next, because there's something very important I need to show you. I'll just close down the app and then talk about that. So I have jumped back to the Google Play Store, where you can find the Tree for Money app. It's not available on iOS devices because the App Store has a lot more requirements for apps to become available there, and that's a good thing in this case, because an app like this, in my opinion, should not be allowed to even be in the Google Play Store app, because you will just not get paid. That is my experience, my opinion, after having tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, because there are some very important aspects. First of all, when you go to the Play Store, you see it has early access. That in itself might say to you, oh, that's just because they're developing. Well, first of all, usually the ones that says early access is something to be suspicious of, because what it means is that when it's early access, you cannot read any reviews, you cannot read any public reviews, so you cannot see all the experiences of all the people that have wasted time making money for them by clicking spammy ads, but they have not been paid themselves, because they cannot share their experiences because it's an early access That's one thing to be aware of. Secondly, it has been in early access for more than a year. That's just in itself should tell you that those two things combined, that you cannot see the reviews and it has been in early access for more than a year. Clearly, they're not intending to ever take it out of early access, because that would mean that people would start sharing their opinions and people would stop downloading it. They would stop making money. So let me just make it completely clear. They will not pay you, because you will not get $2 just for clicking, so you would earn $2 every single second and then watch an ad once in a while. That's just completely unrealistic. Yes, they make money when we watch these spammy ads, but they do not make that much that they would potentially be able to pay us that much. They claim you can earn that much because it will keep you there. You can just see your account grow, and so fast. It's like faster than any other method that I have seen. But the thing is, they will make money, but you will not get paid because it's unrealistic. And when you combine that with all the other information I've shared, then it becomes clear that this is a complete waste of time. So to sum it all up, Tree for Money app is an app you should stay away from, in my opinion, if you want to make money online. There are plenty of free, great and legit apps that I have been paid by myself also. This one you should not expect to get paid by, because it is completely unrealistic and a complete waste of time. I have a video with some really great rewards app that I do know pay. I will leave a link below so you can check that out instead. But do not waste your time on Tree for Money. It will just never pay, so you will just end up making them money while wasting your own time. And I hope this video helped you figure out why that is and stop you from spending more time on it. And if it did help you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.